Why mint FXRP? Today we'll be discussing FXRP and why minting it brings DeFi yield opportunities and utility for XRP holders. FXRP is a one-to-one representation of XRP on Flare. By minting it, your XRP stays safely on the XRP ledger, while FXRP becomes DeFi ready on Flare. This means FXRP can be put to work in lending and borrowing, liquid staking, and liquidity pools. This turns XRP from an idle asset into productive capital that can earn yield. Now that we've seen how FXRP can be put to work in Flare DeFi, let's look at what makes yield on Flare stand apart. Unlike DeFi platforms that rely solely on inflationary rewards or token airdrops, Flare yields are powered by real yield. Real yield is return generated from genuine on-chain activity, such as lending interest, trading fees, and staking rewards. What are the benefits of real yield? Real yield has three key advantages. It's sustainable, it's transparent, and it's trusted. Real yield is more sustainable because it's directly tied to real activity on-chain. Real yield isn't dependent solely on constant token emissions. Real yield is also more transparent, since all yield sources are fully verifiable on-chain. The final key advantage of real yield is that it's trusted. Public companies like Vivo Power and Everything Blockchain Inc. are already deploying XRP into Flare DeFi, proving that real yield meets institutional standards. To recap, minting FXRP turns XRP into productive capital and unlocks access to sustainable, verifiable, and trusted yield. Thanks for tuning in. Check out our other F-Assets video explainers in the description below.